Thank you so much to all the students who have subscribed to Tech Study Nisha. Your support motivates me to create more useful robotics and tech videos for you. Big thank you to every student who subscribed. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned. More colourful, fun and educational robotics content is coming. Thank you to every student who took part in the online test. Your participation shows your dedication to learning. Congratulations to all the students. The results are now displayed.